From Red Zone Weather in Bruton, Alabama, with meteorologist Spinks Meganson. Severe weather coverage starts right now.
4:30 in the east, 1:30 in the west, and 3:30 a.m. here in South Alabama and Northwest Florida, where we have a new tornado warning that has just been posted for parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties. Good Friday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Spinks Meganson. Possible tornado near Saraland right now, about to come up the I-65 corridor and come out into the Mobile-Tensas River Delta and ultimately cross into Baldwin County. This is a tornado warning, meaning you've got to take action to protect yourself, as we have a possible tornado very near Saraland right now, coming into areas near the Mobile-Tensas River Delta and areas near Creola. Good Friday morning to you. I hope you're having a nice morning. I know that this is a jolt and a wake-up call for folks in Mobile County. And the first thing we need to do is tell you exactly who is involved in this tornado warning that is valid until 4 a.m. local time. Possible tornado near Citronelle right now, and this is moving to the northeast at about 25 miles per hour, so moving just like that. And on this trajectory, this is going to be coming out over the Mobile-Tensas River Delta over the next few minutes. Again, very, very early on this Friday morning. Let's go ahead and tell you who's involved in this warning, because if you are in the Mobile Metro, you are not involved in this tornado warning. The Mobile Metro is not involved in this active tornado warning, but if you are in Saraland, areas near Pritchard, Creola, also areas near Crossroads, you are involved in this active tornado warning, and you need to be doing something about it right now. Lowest floor, site-built structure, away from windows and doors, putting as many walls as you can between you and the outside world as this possible tornado moves just like this. Let's actually go over to our iPad source and show you exactly where this possible tornado is, because this thing has developed very quickly right here near Saraland and Satsuma. So again, possible tornado near the I-65 corridor, and this is coming just like that, moving to the northeast near Creola over the next few minutes. And again, this is going to pass to the north of the Mobile Metro. And so if you're in Mobile proper, you are not involved in this active tornado warning that's on the board until 4 a.m. Let's go back over to our classic reflectivity source. And again, we're watching this situation very carefully in Mobile County, as we have a possible tornado on the north side of Mobile out here towards Saraland and toward Creola, right in through here. And this whole line of storms is producing very heavy rain, quite a bit of lightning and gusty winds as it continues to push off to the northeast at about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Again, very early in the morning on this Friday, and I'm actually going to take a seat. I've been battling a sinus infection over the last few days, so just bear with me as we get through this severe weather coverage. Again, watching this situation near Saraland, possible tornado is going to be right here near the Interstate 65 and US Highway 43 corridor, and this is really headed out toward the Dolly Parton Bridge and areas near Creola over the next few minutes. So again, watching this possible tornado exit Mobile County, move out over the Delta, and ultimately cross into Baldwin County. That's the situation that we have right now. Let's show you the whole region, because this is the only tornado warning that we have on the board as of 3:35 a.m. And probably what's going to happen with this is a line of thunderstorms that is weakening gradually as it crosses our area. And so you can see this complex of storms here working its way from west to east. Possible tornado is near Saraland and Creola, about to come into areas near the Dolly Parton Bridge, and ultimately that's going to cross into Baldwin County and approach areas near Crossroads and Alabama Highway 225. Keep in mind that, again, most of the line of thunderstorms is under severe limits. Let's go up here to Clark County, because these storms well under severe limits, but you are having heavy rain right now. extending from areas near Cyrene and Grove Hill back down to Watley, coming into areas also near Choctaw Bluff. Ultimately, the line of storms going to come into Monroeville. You've also got heavy rain happening in the northern part of Baldwin County near Tensaw along the Alabama Highway 59 corridor. But again, the only tornado warning that we are dealing with as of 3:36 a.m. is happening here in the northern part of Mobile and Baldwin counties. Again, let's take off the radar data, and if I call you out, you are involved in this warning. Saraland, Creola, areas near Chickasaw for the next few minutes. Also, you've got Crossroads, areas near Stockton, and Alabama Highway 225. Those are the main areas involved in this active tornado warning, valid until 4 a.m. So again, we've got 24 more minutes on this possible tornado in the tornado warning. And I see we've got a new severe thunderstorm warning that is just now coming on the board. A new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. And this is going to be for much of Baldwin County. So again, much of Baldwin County and also northern Escambia County, Florida, now involved in this new severe thunderstorm warning. What's happening here? The Weather Service is blanketing the entirety of the Mobile Metro and the Eastern Shore in a severe thunderstorm warning. And so this is a severe thunderstorm warning in orange, but the tornado warning is up here on the north side of the Mobile Metro out towards Saraland, Creola, and also areas near Alabama Highway 225. We'll zoom in tight because, again, this is the area of main concern where we have this active tornado warning. And let's actually look at this. The Weather Service is deciding to cancel the tornado warning. And so what they're doing here, they're saying that this cell has weakened and now they're canceling the tornado warning and they're replacing it with this larger severe thunderstorm warning. And so a new severe thunderstorm warning coming on the board, and really that's going to be the trend with these storms. We did have a few tornado warnings about an hour ago back here in Mississippi, but those are long gone now that the line of storms has obviously moved to the east. And again, we're more concerned about damaging straight line winds coming into areas like the Eastern Shore over the next few minutes and also near Bay Minette. And so a severe thunderstorm warning coming on the board for Baldwin County at this point, and not a tornado warning. So again, the tornado warning has been canceled and we can give a tornado all clear as of 3:38 a.m. to all parts of Mobile and Baldwin County. So no more tornado warning, but we now have an active severe thunderstorm warning. And before we end our coverage, let's go back over to our radar scope source and check on things, because we do note that there are a few areas of circulation here out over Mobile Bay. In fact, you can kind of see the line in through here is kind of jagged, and what that would suggest is that we have some areas of rotation and gusty winds out over Mobile Bay right now, ultimately going to come into areas near Daphne and Fairhope and Point Clear over the next few minutes. And that's why we have this severe thunderstorm warning in progress. And wouldn't be completely surprised if we needed another tornado warning, potentially for parts of Baldwin County over the next few minutes. But as of now, I really don't see anything that would suggest an imminent tornado warning. So with that said, let's go back over to the classic reflectivity source. Y'all know the drill. Because we don't have any active tornado warnings, what we're going to do is go back to covering these storms in the Red Zone Weather app. I have been posting updates over the last few hours and will continue to post updates as long as we've got storms crossing our area. And don't forget, we actually have another round of thunderstorms coming up a bit later, which is why we have this ongoing level 3 out of 5 enhanced severe weather risk in place for much of South Alabama, valid for a little bit later today. So we're dealing with round 1 of the thunderstorms moving across our region as of now. That's why we have these severe thunderstorm warnings in place for parts of Baldwin County. But again, round 2 of the storms has yet to develop. It's going to develop basically right on top of our area later today, and that's when the tornado risk will go up. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. is going to be the window when we have the greatest tornado threat a bit later today. So again, just closing out things early on this Friday morning, an active severe thunderstorm warning does continue for much of Baldwin County, Bay Minette, all of the Eastern Shore, Magnolia Springs, Foley, Summerdale, Robertsdale, Lockley, Orange Beach, areas near Fort Morgan and Gateswood, valid until 4:30. So a severe thunderstorm warning now in effect for much of Baldwin County. If we happen to have more tornado warnings, of course, we will come back on Facebook Live and on YouTube Live to bring you the very latest. On behalf of all of us here at Red Zone Group LLC, I'm meteorologist Spinks Megginson saying goodbye for now. More updates coming in the Red Zone Weather app.
Be sure to find us across social media, and don't forget to download the free Red Zone Weather app and set up your customized alerts. Please support our Red Zone Weather sponsors who make our coverage possible every single day.